Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to give a quick portfolio update. I have quite a few options that are going to expire on Friday. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page, Discord, where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who's interested in talking about stocks, options, learning new strategies, and growing our portfolios. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well, and you have access to all my portfolios. So Robinhood, TD, I also started a new 10K challenge. So if you guys are interested, check out my Discord. And also consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I do share my updates daily. So we see here, it says options expiring soon. I have BlackBerry, Bngo, and 7 other options. So let's take a look at that. So I mostly like to sell options, and that is because we have an advantage. We receive a premium up front, so that money is put into our account immediately. So if we take a look at the BlackBerry, this is a covered call. So in order to sell a covered call, we need to have 100 shares of the underlying stock. So I have 800 shares of BlackBerry. Since I am obligated to sell my 100 shares at a specific price, I would get to receive a premium. In this case, it's $16. You might think it's not a lot of money, but it definitely adds up the more we sell options. And depending on the stock that you're selling options on, the more premium or the less premium that you will get. So in this case, it's $16. Now we have SOS, cash secure puts. So this is essentially saying that I don't mind buying SOS when it reaches $5. So instead of putting up 100 shares as collateral, we have to use funds as collateral. So in this case, it's 100 times 5. So I had to put up $500 in collateral. Our brokerage will put that money aside in case we do get a sign. And when we get a sign is when SOS closes at 5 or below on expiration date, which is next Friday, the 16th. Since we are obligated to buy 100 shares at the specific price, we receive a premium of $50. $50 is putting it into our account immediately. What I can do with $50 is completely up to me. I can buy roughly 8 shares because right now the price is trading at $5.18. So it's a great way to buy shares, generate extra income, and reducing our cost basis. So let's take a look at Bngo. This is another cash secure put. So right now the stock is below my strike price. That's fine because what I can do, I can roll this contract over to the following month because I know they only have monthly. So when that happens, when our option is breached, we can roll it over. So we need to buy back the contract first and then sell it again. So what I can do, let's see how much I can receive for next week. I need to buy back the 8 puts and then sell the May put. In this case, I can receive $54. Or I can just get a sign because I'm very bullish on Bngo. I was able to collect let's see how much I was able to receive. I received $98, which makes my break-even price to $7.02. So as long as the stock is above $7.02, I am profitable. So I'm not going to roll this one over because it's just monthly, and who knows, Bngo might go up to $10 by then. Next, we have JAGX. So in this one, I might roll this one over. I was able to collect a pretty decent premium as well, $76, making my break-even price to $174. If I were to roll this one over, same thing, they only have monthly. I don't like monthly too much. So we're going to have to buy it back, roll it to next month, and look, I can receive $25 credit. Not too bad. And then Nano Dimension is a cover call. I have 100 shares of Nano Dimension. I was able to receive $22. This is a $12.50 strike price. So I know a lot of people have Nano Dimension. If you guys have at least 100 shares, you should be selling cover calls and reducing your cost basis. Nokia, Nikola, same thing, cover calls. Sens, Genius was the one I had to roll over to next week. I was able to receive a small premium to roll it over. And then since this is a call option, so instead of me receiving the premium, I actually have to pay the option seller a premium, which I don't really like because I'm down $213 right now. I paid $118 to an option seller because they're obligated to give me the shares if I exercise this option. But right now I'm down, so I wouldn't be able to exercise it. The current price is 75 cents, so I'm down $200. Not bad because it expires October. Now we get into AMC, my favorite stock. AMC, this is a 3-strike price. I purchased these leap calls back in December when no one was really talking about AMC. So I got a pretty good deal. My average cost, as you can see here, is $127. Right now, the current price is $673. I was able to make $10,000 on 7 contracts from my 10 that I bought when the stock went to $20, I believe it was January. Now we have Nokia. This I got into a little bit late, and at the time the premiums were extremely high. I got caught. Now I'm down. This one I'm down only $400, but this is a 5-strike price. I paid $169 for a contract, which seems very expensive now, but at the time we get caught up and we just start buying all the stocks, and this is what happens. We end up losing a lot of money, $3,800. I'm down, but thankfully they expire in 2023. Now we get into stocks: AMC, Nikola, Vaxar, BlackBerry. They're all down because think about it. These are all meme stocks. BlackBerry, Sundial, Luke1 as well. I did make some profits on this when I sold it when it was over $2. I'm holding on to SOS. I have 100 shares of SOS because I got assigned. We take a look. Put assignments. The stock closed at $5.25 and this was at $5.50, but I was able to receive a pretty generous premium. So what I can do is sell cover calls since I have 100 shares now. For next week, I want to sell cash secure puts on SOS because the premiums are still pretty good. We take a look. SOS trade options. We'll just go to 23 April. Sell a put. Let's go to a 5-strike price, guys. We can receive $40. That is a lot of money. And we can use this money to buy shares of SOS, or we can use this money to buy gas, buy food, anything we want. So that's my plan for this coming week. I do have $3,600 in buying power now, so that's a pretty decent amount of money. So let me know. Also, I'm thinking about Fubo. Fubo is a long-term hold, so I might get into Fubo as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you got this far, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We would love for you to come join us, collaborate, learn new strategies, and let's make money together, as well as finding the next hottest stock.